screen first. Oh, Koy, can you enable my share screen? Or wala ko ka. Dili siya enabled. Okay, there you go. Okay, so subscribe sa mo. Na ako'y 16 ka subscriber. Plus 10 agents, may mo na siya mga 20 ka. So here I uploaded one actually. This is how to optimize your photos before uploading the website using image size app. This is the mobile version of kung saan yung pag-upload. Hinahinayan ako upload ni para ato mo refer if na mo questions. As much as I can, I'll try to think kung sa may mga instances nga, mga videos nga would be very helpful sa inyong mag-navigate sa website. Okay, so please subscribe, Louis Adam. Help me help you. Okay, so first things first, before you upload your website, you have to optimize your image first. What I mean by optimizing your image is basically pagamihan nyo ang size sa inyong image, which is typically if gikan sa inyong phone actually, kung mag-take mo picture, it's a very high quality pixel dense nga mga picture, which is mga almost 4 to 10 megabytes, which is very big for the website. Bigger image is not always better. So optimizing is to decrease that as much as you can without losing quality. Typically, we're looking at an image size less 300 or less than kilobytes, 300 kilobytes or less. This video here, how to optimize your photos before uploading. This is the phone version. I would recommend using the phone version because this is much easier. Imo lang button is to download the image size. Watch this video because this is step-by-step process. This app itself, imo lang siyang i-open. You took the picture of your potential nana mo sa site environment, sa site location. All you gotta do is open the app, take pictures sa mga angles na ganahan mo, and it will automatically do the optimization, size dimension sa pictures, because there is a recommended size dimension nga gamiton nimo to upload to the website para mas nice siya tanawon. I mean, you can still use something else, but recommend kato jud nga size mo gamiton. It will do everything for you, and you don't have, and then it will save automatically sa imong photos library, and you don't have to worry anything. And then dito naka-upload sa website. Now, what if na kay photos nga imo nang picture from the past and wala ka gamit sa image size? So okay lang na siya. There's a solution for that, and Google has all of that. This time I'm going to show you what I've used to optimize your photos. Katong mga photos and listings nga gi-share niyo nako through Google Drive. Optimize all of them, and then I use these two websites to do that. This is the computer version. Mag-gusto ko gamit sa phone for this. So I recommend using the computer. If you don't have a computer, we can arrange, you may use the office computer to do that. So let's see. Okay. So pagtanggal aning menu to hide them. So ang pag-hide you are okay. So let's say naamoy photos nga dili optimized, right? Dako ang size and then ang ratio, ang dimensions sa size is dili pareha. So I use this website. It's called Bulk Resize Photos. So imo lang i-drag and drop, imo lang i-upload imo mga photos diri and it will automatically optimize your images. So atong i-try ha. So here, so imo lang button is click lang mo ning choose images. And then since na-download naman ako ang mga photos of information ninyo from Google Drive, so nananay sa ako ang computer. So I'm just gonna choose one here. Let me see. Okay, Kate Jocelyn na lang. She has 5 listings. Akong karing sa Albor na lang. So let me see. Sort. Just gonna look up the details. So as you can see, kaning usa ka image ani kaning image 3972. Right now it has a 2,731 kilobytes or 2.7 megabytes na siya. It's a big photo. Right now it's also a different file. It's HEIC file. It's kasi picture na gikan sa phone eh. Gi-upload it sa Google Drive. HEIC file could not be accepted sa website. So from that video nga kung gi-share sa YouTube, it also talks about dapat ang file na gamiton nimo is JPEG. Dili siya mugana if HEIC mong gamiton. So dapat ang ato ang goal ani is i-convert ni to HEIC file and to lower the size and ang dimension sa imong photo is the recommended size, which is 1170 times 738 pixels. Ang size ani karon dimension according to this is 4,032 by 3,024 pixels. So it's pretty large picture. So first thing I would do is, well, this one is HEIC file. So let's see, go to website. Well, this one, I forgot, delete ni mo dawat og HEIC file. Di siya kabasa. So you have to convert this HEIC file to JPEG file. There's a website for that. Oh, not this one. What's this one? Nope. Okay. So you see, it's a little bit complicated if the photos are not optimized or di siya converted to the appropriate settings, because dagan kag kuti-kutihon. But anyways, for training purposes, and I don't want you guys to do double work if not with mga photos. So if you happen to seeing a JPEG in your file or .jpg, kung matanawan ninyo, you can convert it through this website. I recommend. I'll send all this information, this website, to you later at the end of this meeting. So here you want to convert your photos first. So I'm gonna go back sa listings. Kaati Jocelyn, kaning Albor. Kaning. So ako lang i-click tanan, right? And then click open. And then it would start converting the photos. Once it's converted, it will you will download it, obviously, and then you're going to upload it here for resizing. Let's see. Internet is a little bit challenging. Let's see. Mangita tawag photo sa ani. Just pretend nga na convert na ko to sa JPEG. Let's find here nga na ay ka ng JPEG na image. No. Okay. This is PNG. Not good. Let's see. I know I have a couple of pictures here for sure. Ate Benz, let's see more Ate Benz naman siguro ani. Okay, this one, Kate Beryl. Kanila na tayo gamito na to. Kani Kate Beryl is it's a JPEG na file. I'm not sure if you can see it. The JPEG na iyang file. This one is already optimized. No, disregard. It's already optimized. Sorry, guys. Let's see. Download to. Oh, it's PNG file. Let's see. Okay. Kanilang kabeya. Okay, masayon. So naay listing si Bea sa chat too. Pero ang iyang mga photos here, according to these details, na siya yung mga photos nga JPEG file, but the size is 1,280 kilobytes or 1.2 megabytes. And ang iyang dimension is 5,312 by 2,988 pixels. Pretty large picture. So here, I'm gonna convert this to an optimized image. So gamito na ko ni bulk resize, open the, click choose images. And then I'm gonna pretend I'm gonna click this 3 here, 4 na lang. Open. And then you wanna go to exact dimensions. So click the money. So recommended image dimension is 1,170 by 738. If you ask me why, this is from the support desk you provide NACO. So this has always been this height. And then you want to click this use padding to avoid stretching or squashing images. You always check that. And then after you do that, click this expert mode. And then you want to make sure ang image format is JPEG ang output. And then the image quality, try to bring it to 90%. I have experience 90 or 100% are almost the same. You can never, it's really hard to tell inside difference nila. So, and then you just click start resizing and then it will do its own thing. And then automatic na siya download here. So I'm gonna go to the downloaded photos. So here, I'll just extract and let me see. I'm gonna show you the big difference. So earlier, the photos was, let me see. Check the number. Earlier, those photos, ganina was 1,280 kilobytes, 657. This two here is already small, but 2 and 3 here is super big. With the optimized images, the 2 and 3 original pictures nga optimized na, it now becomes 202 kilobytes, 221 kilobytes, which is optimized na siya sa correct nga dimension. And let's see, I want to open this. And tell me if you can tell the difference. So this is the image nga, dako kayo nga size, lahi ang dimension. This is the original file. And then this is the optimized one. It's not, you cannot tell difference, right? But you can know, or it's really hard to differ sa ilang pictures. But this one is optimized. It's easier for you to upload and mas gamit siya sa imong website. Now, once you all do that steps, that's when you start uploading sa website mismo. So I'm already logged in sa akong website, sa ako ang account. Okay. So everybody should have a username and password. If you happen to have problems, just let me know and then we'll change the password. I know it's a little bit too long, but it was just for security purposes for the mahack in your account. But anyways, this is the login portion of it, right? So you want to do is either create listing here. You click this button. You could also click your picture, and then there's another option here, create listings. So this time I'm going to click this one. And very straightforward, property title. Magpili lang ka. So I'm going to choose, which one should I choose here? Naghanap ako naman nag-optimize tanan, pero wala pa dun ako na-upload tanan. Anin na ako kay Bea. So ako na choose the first one here. Sa ubuhan niya nga listing. Okay. This one are all optimized already. They are already at 11.7. The correct dimensions. The size is already small. The file type is already JPEG. So these are all good to go. So I'm going to open this one. I think this is a lot only. So, okay. I'm going to go property title. So I'm just going to say land for sale. Tagbilaran, yeah, Tagbilaran. Okay, Ubuhan mo. Tagbilaran City. Property title is what's going to show sa Google. If somebody's looking for something, that's the first thing they will see. The big font, blue color, na I-link, that's the title. So make it super easy. It's easy for the Google to search. Kay kasagaran sa mga clients, they normally just type land for sale or house and lot for sale, commercial lot for sale. I'm going to choose something that's mostly used in keywords, ginagamit sa mga clients. So land for sale. And then here, description of your listing. So I'm just going to go here. A residential lot in Tagbilaran City. I'm just going to copy paste that. Boom. And then copy these. Boom. That's the description. And then select type. It's land. Right. Status is for sale. Label, you don't have to. It could be exclusive, hot offer, sold. So I'm just going to leave that blank, make it easy. Sale or rent price. Please be very careful. You don't want to put 1,000 pesos for a 1,000 square meters, huh? So it says here, she's selling this for 1.1 million. So 1,120. So 1.12 million. Okay, good. Second price, you can leave that open after the price. And then after the price prefix, this is more if kanang mga listing ito nga na monthly plus para sa mga project ngayon sa Gaia or AGD. you can put price here. So after the price, you're gonna put butang na ako gibutang ubusan na monthly. So AGD is 5,000, 8,800 monthly. So I'm gonna put here monthly, and then starts from, let's say, ang pinaka barato nga listing ninyo sa AGD was 750 ba to? I'm gonna put 750 here, but anyways, this is a private listing, so we'll skip that. And then click lang nimo on next. And then address. Let's see, yung sa ibutan ni Bayan. Only Tagbilaran City, so that's fine. I'm gonna put Tagbilaran City. And then city or municipality, Tagbilaran. If you have a zip code, that's fine. If you don't, that's fine also. You don't have to worry about this. Details, so bedrooms, bathrooms, so it doesn't apply. So area size, sa kadakang area. 280 square meters, 280 size post. This is already pre-made, so square meters. Garage doesn't apply, year built doesn't apply. Additional details, this is more if namoy house and lot na listing, and let's say na siya mga details nga mga included na sa baligya ba, like saying for example na swimming pool or na ay included nga sakyanan. So you can also put in here, put the value. So any extra features you add it here. Additional details in your. This is mainly for house and lot. So I'll skip this because land man atong add na listing. Click next. There's also features here. More likely para dun sa house and lot. If you don't find a option here, please let me know so I can add more features. I could add it from the administration panel sa akong account. I'll skip that for the meantime. Click next, and then select and drop your images. So here I'm just gonna go to the listings. Ubuhan 280 square meters. This one right here. And ako lang i-select na lang pictures. And at this point, it takes a little bit time to upload and replicates the website. So it will show you, it will start popping, the pictures will start popping. Ready na siya and upload na siya sa website. See. Takes a while, huh? Mawat the internet outside this US. Typically, this one takes a minute. Okay. There you go. Boom. One picture done, complete. I got 4 more pictures. Let's see if I could find a way. I must start tinkering first. Once I ways for me to make sure that mas pas I'm uploading. So far, it's a soft launch at the website. So I don't want to delay it anymore because 99% sa mga issues na discover na ko from the past was already fixed. This one of them, no, wala pa dun. Uh, let's see. For the time being, Bea already sent information sa mga agents, including sales managers, sa mga listing that needs correction or more likely need information lang. If you happen to not receive them, just ask her. She has a quick snapshot sa mga listings ninyong need some corrections. What I discovered mainly ng issue is common issues are either there's no information. What I mean is nakagisend nga Word document nga just easy. You just have to type unsay mo ang information dito. Or there's no pictures at all. What I mean pictures is not actually pictures in gisend, but they are just document pictures. It's not the actual site photos. Clients, correct me if I'm wrong, but most of the time clients look at the pictures instead of the documents. They maybe 90% of them doesn't really appreciate if they only see titles. It's like, okay, what is this about? They would prefer actually photos yun mismo bang site photos. Okay, well, this one is taking forever. Let's just pretend 5 of them has already been uploaded, right? It says here, na po error. I'm not sure why. Let's say na-upload na yung tanang pictures ani. There is this star image here, which means mo na featured image sa imong photo mo na first thing na makita nila sa website. So this one, I'm going to click this one here. It should appear green. I'm not sure if makalaro ba ninyo, but when you click it, it will turn green. It tells you that mo na siya featured nga image nimo. And after you do that, you just click next, right? And then floor plan. Floor plan, I'm going to skip this. Okay, para na sa house and lot. And then contact information. So click the agent info, and then your name should be in here. So since Kabeya man tong listing, I'm going to click Kabeya's listing. It will show check in here, and then I'm going to click next. Private notes. This is helpful if, let's say, you have certain information that you want to have ready to go, but if somebody is asking you, you can also use this. This will not be displayed sa front end sa mga customers na magtatanaw sa inyong listings. Okay, click next. Do you want to mark this property as featured? Okay, so let's say this is something that we want to sell, right? So this will always show at the front part of the website. Click. You can also click yes here. This time I'm just going to click no. The user must be logged in to view this property. Always click no. And then you submit the property. All right, it will show you notification submission is successful. You could also, and then after you do that, you could actually see it here under properties. Okay. Let's see, I'm gonna go pending here. Well, okay. So this one, since this is kaning kinaunahan man, mao na katong gi-upload na nila. Since I'm the admin panel, administrator na approach siya dayon. But normally, if you're the sa inyong mga account ron, the default role user is agents. So when you submit something, it would show something as pending here, waiting for approval or something. For the meantime, it's for quality assurance purposes. So there's a slight learning curve sa tanan. I just want to make sure that everybody is able and understand well what the pictures has to be optimized first, mainly for pictures you dapat optimize first. So I could see that first before I approve them. Para dili heavily loaded itong website, because right now our website is very limited in size. So we try to crank and upload as many listings as we could, maximize yun sa ato ang limited resource. So that's the very reason for it. But normally it should say pending here. When you also log into your website, as in your user account, you can see all your properties here. Na-upload na ako from the past. So it will show everything in here. Let's just say I'm going to click this one, right? Boom. It will automatically go back to the website. So now it's listed under Bea. The pictures are here. And then it will give you the information. Yeah, makita na sa agent mismo. And yeah, that's pretty much it sa taong pag-upload sa yung listings sa website. That's all I have. At this time, I want to open this up for questions, concerns, open discussion na taron.
Thanks.
So, inside na mga questions. I'm ready to answer.
Question.
Yeah.
Pwede itong kwan gani, nakalimot ko pati ba itong recommended photo size before itong sa bulk resize photo bitaw.
Okay, so for photos na nana mo na-upload, nagamit or na inyo ng picturean pero dili siya optimized, you want to go to this website right here. It's called Bulk Resize Photos. Bulk Resize Photos. Okay.
Itong size, recommended size ito, 1,170 bata?
Yes, it's 1070 times 738 pixels. I'm gonna share all this website and the key information na akong gisend sa inyo, for everybody's use. I also have other website that I use. Let's just say you don't have to use this, right? Yung na kay photo nga sakto na dimension, JPEG na siya. Pero you could also use this other website, Tiny JPEG. I also like this one. It would convert. Murag na siya machine learning nga embedded sa ilang website nga. It would find the lowest image possible without killing your quality. I personally like it for sometimes to really get the smallest size possible sa akong listings, but it doesn't. But it recognizes automatically ba kung unsay problema sa imo, unsay quality enough para dili siya blurred or okay gapon siya. This is really good. I also use this photo app here, but you don't have to. This is more of like if you want to edit your photos, like mas nice ang iyang saturation or something. I also use this photo or .com. Optional lang this, yeah. You don't have to. This is my go-to website. the bulk resize.
When question with,
Mm-hmm.
kanang dili pwede mag-upload og video sa site.
So as of right now, we're not doing any videos because of our limited resources. That's the main reason for it. Right now, our website is only the plan. The plan nga gipalit na to for the meantime is 50 gigabytes only. So 50 gigabytes is shared across information ang gi-upload ninyo, and especially some mga listings, photos, gikuan. So very limited as of right now. More will not try to use the photos, videos first, because each video is really dagko just on the size of it. Easy lang kayo to get about 500 megabytes for a 1 minute video, and that's a lot already. But in the future, for sure, we're looking ahead of upgrading this website. We're trying to more atong testing nga sa una ba antod nga more very nice na jud and super optimized jud ang atong website. We can start uploading videos as well. So for the meantime, I would say probably use our YouTube channels first. For the time being, I do understand that I'm a virtual site tour now, and I think that's the recommended during this pandemic. But yes, short answer, no, not for now, not yet.
Okay, kanang so unsaon na mo para lang sa uban information sa uban nga pa nakatry og real estate nga website. So maghulat lang may og naay mo contact sa among phone or depende pwede ba ibutang ang email sa website, among messenger or phone number o gid ang naa.
So right now, this website, when I bought this, let me see. Your email, katong emails nga gisend yun nako o phone number, it's embedded here sa inyong information. So like for instance, kay Meji, right? So if somebody tries to send an email here, so whatever is the email I inputted sa inyong website, sa inyong accounts, that's where it's going to. If I'm gonna put somebody's name in here, right, test, and then their phone number, so right, and then when they send this, they could also identify unsa siya buyer, then an agent or other. When that person submit this information, it goes to the agent. Same thing with the option call. You can also call them. Na number dili. So tanang itong information nga gisend yo nako mo taong gibutang. Yeah.
Okay, so in short, maghulat lang may og naay mo tawag na mo or mo email na mo. Kay na may ubang real estate website nga kami ang tagaan sa email ug sa number nga kami na mo contact nila. So sa atong website, maghulat tawag sila mo contact na to.
Right. Yeah. It will automatically send to your emails, or if they call you, that would be also if I misspell your email or phone numbers, please let me know. We can change them.
Na mga questions si Bea Wing sa chat. Palig daw basa.
Chat. Let's see.
Zoom nga chat.
Okay, can you explain to them why is it important to optimize the photos first before uploading? Someone naka-avail na sa property 24, same idea and so on. Okay, so the very reason why you optimize the photos is for web performance, period. Bigger photos, dimension-wise or size-wise, are not always better. It's also help us for Google rankings. Search engine optimization also requires nga dapat imong photo is not big, super dagko ang iyang dimension. Because most of the time, if dagko imong size ng website, it takes time to load the pictures, and Google will identify those and they will put you down sa Google rankings. Web performance is the very reason why we optimize our photos. Second is aesthetic. This website that we made, there are certain dimensions that we recommend to use because it maximizes the photos na nice siya tanawon. When somebody is using it from either through their phone or through their desktop computer or through their tablet, if you're using those recommended settings, then client will find it a lot more aesthetically appealing. Let's see what else. Shall I question? Maybe if not, by the time of sharing me, please simple how to get the listing. Please tell na 6 months that we observe. Okay. Let's see. Tell 6 months that we observe SEO. Okay. They have mentioned about this SEO, 6 months observation. So SEO stands for search engine optimization. What it basically is to get our website to the first page of Google search ranking. So if somebody is Googling, right? Very familiar with Google. If somebody try to put house and lot for sale here, this first page here are websites nga they have a good search engine optimized website. Our goal is to get our website here, first page, every single time. Search engine optimization is a different animal. It's a huge concept. It's a lot of learnings to digest. There is also a learning curve. It's intermediate learning. That's more for the admin panel like myself. Maybe I'm gonna incorporate some help also from certain individuals. It's a group. But she mentioned about 6 months from the website's launch date, because typically what I've learned is it takes about 6 months to, depending sa growth to its website, to really optimize your website. Mas dali siya makitaan. And the Google's algorithm is, you know what, this website has more content than this other website, then you know what, I'm going to choose this because probably clients would appreciate this website more than this one. So more nga na mo ng idea sa search engine optimization. You're competing with a lot of websites, and Google would choose whichever has the better content, the better image, the better optimization. Okay, Google is trying to make the client happy by giving him or her the right information on the first page. Katong mga dili kayo nice or kulang og optimization ato sila sa last pages sa Google. Let's see. How can we edit about our info and description? You can also share the link. How can we edit our info and description? Okay. Let's see. How can we edit? Let's see. Dili ba siya mo allow ninyo kuan? How do you edit your information? It should let you when you're logged into your website. I'm not sure what do you see. I should look at it using some of your. Okay. Okay, I see what you're saying. For the meantime, I guess the fix for that is just give me your information. Like once I get an update. If you want to change your about info, just give me the paragraph, send me a message, messenger, and I'll just upload it to administration panel. I'm not sure what other roles should I give you other than the agent. I know there's a couple other roles in there. I might shift it to something else. So, para self-updating na lang siya ba? You don't have to wait for me to update them. I'll take a look at it and then get back to you guys about that. Is it possible that the client will choose an agent inquiring about a listing sa website na dili iyahan? Oh, okay. So let's just say nakita si client 1 properties ni Ate Benzel, and then they contact si Ma'am Ave, for instance. Right now, our website is set to where each listing has a agent nga nakalista na. That's possible. That's possible. But I doubt if a client, when he or she looks at the website, he would go to a different agent if na siya makita nga agent right on the front end nagtanaw niya sa listing. I'm pretty sure most of the time the client would just contact the agent na nalista na mismo sa ano. But yes, there's also, but by checking with other agents, yes, they can go here under agents, and let's just say I'm gonna pick somebody. Say I'm gonna pick you, Ma'am Ave, and then they can email you maybe like a general question. Siguro they can email you, and then from there you can talk to an agent, see kung sa'y preferred nilang mga listings nga they want, and then you can work that out. As far as kung sa inyong standard operating procedures between those scenario nga i-mention ni Ma'am having, let's say the client contacted Ma'am Ave don't have a listing for specifically for what the client is asking, and let's say Ate Benzel has that listing potential, and let's say there's a closed deal after that, right? I'm gonna have Bea answer that kung sa inyong say payment scheme procedures. I'm pretty sure that you have more information on. But yes, it's possible they can go and contact you under the agent's page, and then ano siya. I hope that answered your question. So Bea mentioned also you can also share your link to your FB. So let's just say you click your photos. Let's say Kuya Simplera, for instance. Kuya Ate Benz, I got your pictures. I've yet to edit those and change this. I promise it's going to happen. I got your photos. So let's just say Kuya Simplera. You just copy your imo lang i-copy na imo kaning link and then imo lang siyang i-share sa Facebook. You can do that. Just copy paste the URL and then post lang mo sa imong Facebook. Anyways, okay, another question. Naapa mo questions, try daw ta inquire sa email na to. I will send inquiry. Try ko sa email. Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Try to test it. And theoretically, this should work. I tried it before, it worked for me. So please let me know if there's like may mga issues. Let's say delete mo makadawat sa yung email. Then that's a big problem. I will make sure nga ma-fix na to na. Let's see.
Wing naalang ko tip sa mga agents siguro nga para ma-promote ang ilahabit ang website and then at the same time kaning ilaha nga account sa site kay di ba sa URL nakabantay ko nga blrealty.com package.com/agent na Simplicio the Par. I think kung kani nga URL akong i-post sa Facebook nako, ini-click nila sa site mo dito na sila sa ako ang profile no.
Correct.
Nya pero dito na po sila sa akong mga listings or sa ako aran profile.
So dito na siya sa imong listing pod. So if I'm going
Okay.
to
Nindot ni siya kay di pa man jud known atong website. So ato asa siyang i-promote og taman sa Facebook.
I think
Yeah.
for instance, I saw Meji one time, Koi. I think she posted her own. So let's just try her. I think she posted it on her. I don't know. Meji, I'm gonna stalk to your page, okay? Don't worry.
Patay. Joke lang. Doorbells.
So I think she posted something about her. I don't know. I think I
Nasa
saw,
next
there you go. Boom.
na.
So she posted her profession. I'm gonna click here. Boom. Boom. So it goes back to the so everything on the listed na siyang account. The client should just go down here. So she has right now she has 16 listings nga na upload na. So boom. So yes, it works. This also works on the mobile version as well. So they click that, it should it will route back to the website mismo. All right, thank you, Mage.
Welcome, Weng. Salamat pod.
Yeah. Let's see. Who else has questions?
Ana na mo kay di ta sure kano sa ato sunod maka-meeting og ingani. Sa pinay questions.
So Bea tried to email one of Mage's listing, and then she clicked the send email button sa website, and according to Meiji, she also received them. So yeah, it's working.
Unsay giingon sa email match like unsay na receive nimo?
Akong i-send ani ha. Wait lang. Pwede ba ta maka
Try na.
Ay dili day pwede og ano no picture?
Sa BL na lang na group chat.
I-copy na lang nako ang imuhang ano yang kani. Oops. Mo ni ako na-receive. Nana? Nara?
Yeah, na-post.
Naara matches.
Okay.
Ko nag-send ko nimo og message ko try daw checking mo. Just for a test.
Wait, check na ko.
You should receive the person who sent it, their phone number and email, and then simple message kung unsa tong gibutang sa agent.
Yeah, nakadawa si Simplify.
Actually, also I forgot to mention. Let's say there's a specific listing already, right? Let's just say somebody went to the properties, okay, and then I click this listing there. Okay, this is Joshua's listing, no? Okay, good. Actually, when somebody messaged this person, let's say, if let's say when I click and send message, this is also helpful. Okay, so here they can automatically send you the information. Let's see. I'm gonna put again my information. This is another way as well. Okay, I'm a buyer. Click that. So this, if na ay client nga specific siya sa listing nga nakita niya, this are already pre-made information. When I send this to Joshua, and Joshua, if you can verify for me, when I send this, this should let you, the agent that receiving should know exactly unsa to gitanaw sa client. So dili ka mag second guess ba unsa mo tong listing gi-send niya mismo. So according to this one, it says land percent diversity goal. So gikapil lang niya ang title. It should also give you the link too, if I remember. So I'm gonna send this message to Joshua. Oh, sorry. My email was wrong. Okay. Josh, could you check? But I sent you an email. Same old same on Gmail. Could you check if there's a link there specifically for this one? I'm pretty sure I was looking at this and I think multi-purpose aning portion. If only, let's say, for example, ba na abitoy specific client na interesado dito sa specific listing mo.
Na.
Makaibaw dayon ang agent nga amo on nga specific na gitanaw sa client. Earl's question is, ma-share ba sad ang sa FB ang link sa listing? Yes, absolutely. There's let's see. Right, brother Earl. So if you go to the website, on the top portion of your listing, there's this favorites button, there's a print button, and there's also a share button. If you click this middle one, share button, now WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, emails. If you click Facebook, it will automatically copy the link and you just, and then if nakalagin na kasi mo Facebook, mo lang siyang type. And then you post it right away. Let's wait for Joshua if you say in the dialogue.
So, ang nagdawat na ko eh.
Okay. Is there a link specific para aning a listing? Para kung ikaw nga agent, pa imo lang i-click siya and makibaw ka kung sa nga listing specifically ayon gina pangutana.
O naa. My link.
Okay, so yeah. This is only works if balik ta sa if ang client nakita siya listing nga interesado siya, they can just automatically send a message on this panel ba. Mabutang lang silang basic information, their name, their phone, their email, and there is already a pre-made message here, so they don't have to type anything. They could also type more. That's also cool. And then just hit the send message. You'll receive the message. There's a link to the listing ilang gitanaaw. So now you can automatically start discussing kung unsa nga listing siya. Any further questions? Oh yeah, na quality check yung listings. I'm talking about if did I misspell or put a different price. Basing na ako nasayop ba? I want to make sure nga wala ta nagbaligyaw. Wrong price or ano. Medyo mabasa. Anyone? Napamoy further questions? If you find
Ang
something
first makahalin na ay reward. Bitaw.
anyone? Any Namoy line questions? Okay, let me see. Let's see, maybe I missed somebody here. Just one. Okay. Okay. So, see, just a recap na lang. While I show you sa atong conference ron, it's more of the desktop version, right? Sa inyo pag-upload sa inyong listings, you can definitely do it as well through your phone. And I think it's more preferred for many of you. Our website is also mobile friendly. You might see it's slightly different, but most of it is, the essential ones are the same as well. If you want ease of use, and I also find it super easy to use, always while using your phone, you've always wanted to use this app, right? So I'm going back here. I'm not gonna stress this enough because this is really, really helpful. It would solve all these mga problems that you have. Oh, dapat pa i-optimize yung photos, dapat dimension is correct, dapat ang file is JPEG. If you follow this video here, all you gotta do is, once nga ma-familiarize ka sa paggamit ng app, you can go ahead and go to the website, log into your account, and start uploading. You don't have to worry about using this website here, bulk resize, this other websites now I'm gonna come in. But yeah, some folks too would like to use the desktop, but yeah, absolutely. You can use them. According to my analytics, ako man yung links ako kaning website na to ba. I just want to show you something. So this is basically something that would give us an overview insight on how does users navigate and use a website on site. Activities this just give me an overview. Okay, there is about, in the past 3 days, there were about 133 users, so it could be somebody, just the same person, just keeping logging in. There's about 154 sessions. It gives me all this, very mga insight lang ba. What I do notice here while I was reading this, right? So this portion here, how do you acquire users or traffic channel ba? According to this, from the 26th of August to the 29th, most of our traffic comes from social media. It's crazy. On the 27th of August, there's about almost 60 people use the website using social media. So if you share your account, if you use, I'm pretty sure it's coming from the page, Bill Realty, everything you also post as well, that it's, and you're gonna share a link from the website to your social media. It's considered social media traffic. So a lot of them are coming from social media. Most of them. And then there's also direct traffic. So you can mismo diretso sa website. There's also organic search. Let me see. And I'm gonna show you something very cool too. So sessions by country is looking something like the Nagatana. So right now, most of the users are coming from Philippines. Some are from the United States, about 24%. Philippines is 66%. Some people are coming from Australia, Canada, China. Who's from China? Oh man, somebody's from China is looking at our website, huh? Somebody, this is from the last 7 days, by the way. And then you see also here sessions by device. So what are your top devices? A staggering almost 80% of the user are coming from mobile. So see there is a trend to a lot of these folks are using mobile or their phone because it's easy to use, it's portable, everybody can afford a cell phone. They just need to link to a internet and they can basically serve the internet. So that's basically a lot of our attention is really mobile. So a lot of them, 20% is coming from desktop computers, about 2% is coming from tablets. Pretty good insight. Someday as we grow our website, it should give me more insights about how do we optimize further to really gravitate ourselves from where we at right now. From 133 users, maybe the end goal from the end next one in September is we'll bring that up from 100 to 1,000 users, viewers every day, every month, something like that. Pretty cool insights. Okay. Anyone have further questions? Miss.
Wala na siguro?
Yeah. I do receive some feedbacks already from some of you guys that I need to correct or update. Yeah, absolutely. I still have future projects and homework from here. And I send ako mga photos and about their info. Yeah, I'll definitely work on it as I try to juggle my work, school, and this website. So I apologize if I don't get to respond or do what you requested for, but I promise it's going to happen for sure. Yeah, that's all I got. Thank you all sa inyong pag-attend. If you have further questions, please let me know. We're uploading this video again sa YouTube channel, so subscribe to my channel, guys. Charot.
Thank you, Weng. Salamat kaayo.
Asan ako i-sending a video?
Thank you,
See you,
Weng.
everyone.
I think this is a big size ko eh. Google Drive siguro. And then ako na lang kuhaon from there.
Link.
Uh-huh.